Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Michael!
And today we're doing an unboxing.
We are.
What kind of unboxing is this?
This is a very British unboxing.
How can you tell? Is it the way they tape the boxes?
No, it's because I know what's in these ones.
Oh, come on.
I was trying to come up with something, fantastic, but...
I did kind of throw you in the deep end.
At the end of the day, I actually checked what was in these ones for a change. So we're unboxing the Royal Mint Little John. So this is the number 3 in the series. So we've had the Maid Marian and the Robin Hood, and this is young Little John. So we shall make a start.
Now, I'm seeing someone on the comments of our YouTube channel often asking for Little Johns and when they're coming in. Are these a popular item?
They are. It's been a very popular series. We do have some Maid Marians left in silver, I believe. Don't have any golds left. But we're completely out of the Robin Hoods. They're done and dusted. But yeah, so if you're in the market for some Maid Marians, we still have a few left, I think. I think you'll see. And I'm going to need a glove for these. These are the gold ones. Put the glove on first. We'll see if I can open it with a glove.
We don't want any fingerprints on our gold.
No. Alrighty. Now, these come naked. So there's no capsules in these. However, if you smile nicely at the guys, and I've grabbed 2 there, they will put them in a capsule for you, but you'll actually find the capsule's a fraction big. We don't have any of the 38 mils in at the moment. So that's the young Little John. But it's a fantastic coin. This one, it's even got his beard on it. I was worried they'd do him without a beard, but the detail that they've got on both the silver and the gold coin is amazing, with the trees in the background and his staff as well as his beard. So a great looking coin all round. And Little John was the muscle behind the operation, if Robin Hood was the brains, and Friar Tuck was the one that kept them all in line.
And so are they going to be releasing a design for each of the people in the group?
My understanding is that they've drawn a line under it after Little John. It's the last in the series.
Huh.
So I don't think they're doing any more. I think this completes the series. So there you go. That's the gold one. And we've got a number of the gold ones. We've also got the silver one, I believe, right here. These boxes are always hard work. I'm going to stand up. These boxes are always hard work to get into. I've probably wrecked your framing on the camera now, haven't I?
That's all right. We'll make it.
There we go. No, still haven't got it. I think opening the Robin Hood was where I got my reputation for knife handling on this channel. And the hiding I've copped ever since. I'm sure it was one of the Royal Mint unboxings. Alrighty, here we go. The good old Royal Mint box. So, a useless piece of information. This is where my family traditionally came from. It was Sherwood Forest in Nottingham. You have no idea what Sherwood Forest is, do you?
I know what Sherwood Forest is. I know it's the forest that Robin Hood would like to hang out in. But I have no idea where it is.
It's in Nottingham.
Yeah, I don't even know where that is.
Midlands of England. And that's the silver. So it's slightly larger, as you'd expect, than the gold. And again, a beautiful design. Same design as on the gold, but just slightly larger, so you get that detail just slightly more in it. And obviously on the reverse side, we've got Her Majesty the Queen. A £2 face value, which always takes a bit of explaining in store when people say, oh, why does it only say £2? Or the kangaroo says it's only a face value of $1. Yeah, it just is. That's what it is. There's a whole story behind why, and we can go through that one day on another video. So they are now available in store. Connor's right, there's been a lot of people who have been hunting for them and asking when they're going to arrive. They have now arrived, and they are available on the web if you're viewing this as it's being released, or we'll have them available in store as well. I don't believe we're getting any more in, so once we've sold out, we're done and dusted. But as you can see, there's a few boxes around me, and I'm pretty sure there's at least another 1 or 2 boxes kicking around as well. So we've got enough to keep us going for now.
Beautiful. Well, thanks for showing us that one.
No worries.
That's all from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.